Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 10th of November 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla and this week for the upcoming expiry on the 15th of November. The max OI level is high for CE and PE, that's positive. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for CE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's also positive. PCR is higher, so that's positive. Implied volatility and historical volatility, however, are also higher, that's negative. RSI is higher, that's positive. No divergence, that's positive. ADX is higher, that's positive. ATR is higher, that's positive in this case. Oh no, actually wait, this needs to be negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's positive. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher and the candlestick is bullish, that's two positives. The new support is 300, the previous week's support was 250. The new resistance is 320 and the previous week's resistance is 260 according to the option chain. The prediction overall this week is that Tesla goes up. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.